Hello again, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of dark whimsical art, and today I am reviewing and looking through the coloring book Gothic Dark Fantasy coloring book by Selena Finich. So if you've ever seen this book and you've been interested in buying it, here's your chance to see what's inside. Alright, so the cover is interesting. It's beautiful, it's matte, but it feels soft. It feels like a peach, which is really weird, but I like it. And of course has this book belongs to page using this book. Here's the first page. I haven't colored anything in here yet because I feel like I'm not good enough yet. So I just keep it until I feel like my skill gets better. As you can see, this page is blank so that if you use something that goes through, it won't ruin the picture underneath, and that way you don't have to sacrifice the picture if you decide to do one. And I really like this. I found this one online and printed it out and did it. I think I showed that in a video. Here it is again, if I want to try it again. So she makes these really nice, pretty, fairy fantasy women with dragons and skulls. So it's got a bit of a goth look to it. So I would think coloring the hair and the face and stuff would be really fun. And there's a witch one. Yep, witch. And her black cat, her familiar, going along with her. I think she'd be cold wearing that. Probably cold wearing that too. Some nice Halloween ones, which is cool. A gargoyle and a fairy. Unicorn. So if you love fantasy stuff with a slightly dark vibe to it, then I think you will like this. Fallen angel, raven. There's a lot of pictures to color too. Now the pages are on the thinner side, so wet medium, watercolor, alcohol markers is going to go through. So you'll have to definitely put something in between to protect. Got a crazy cat lady. Second set. Oh, I did not realize this. It has it in here twice, so you can practice. That's pretty cool. I'm good with that because yeah, I mess up a lot. So you have all the same pictures twice in case you mess up. So that's a cool idea. Next time I make a coloring book, maybe I will do that too. And if you'd like to know how to make a coloring book, just leave a comment saying I'd be interested in knowing how I made a coloring book, because I would gladly share that information if anyone's interested. But yeah, if you like to draw line art, definitely make a coloring book. It's pretty easy. But that was Gothic Dark Fantasy coloring book, and I highly recommend it. I really like this one a lot. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!